This video is going to be made to go over the first homework assignment you were given, 1.1 Real Numbers, Relations, and Functions, Day 1. This was on the Google form. So the first point was given to you. That was A, which was negative 3, 3. We got that by going left 3 and up 3. Now we need to find point B. Point B went over to negative 1.5 and up to 3. So this was negative 1.5 and 3. Point C went over to negative 2.5 and up 0. So that was negative 2.5, 0. Point D went down over to negative 1.5 and down to negative 3. So it was over 1.5, down 3. Point E went over 0 and up 2. Point F is 0, 0. Point G went over 2 to the right and up 0. Point H went over 3 and up 1. And point I went over 3 and down 1. And that's it. That's all you had to do. For the next question, P lies 4 units to the left of the y-axis and 5 units below. Think about it. If you're going left, that's going to be negative, and going below, that's also going to be negative. Negative 4, negative 5. P lies 3 units above the x-axis and on the same vertical line as negative 6, 7. Since it's on the same vertical line as negative 6, 7, it means we would have to go over to negative 6 and then up 3. P lies 2 units below the x-axis, and its x-coordinate is 3 times its y-coordinate. So the first thing we know is its y-coordinate is negative 2. Then we do 3 times that and get negative 6. Four units to the right of the y-axis. So we know that our x is going to be 4, and the y-coordinate is half of the x. Half of 4 is 2. So those ones were pretty easy, straightforward. Just kind of getting you back into the mathematical thinking and the mathematical mindset. This graph was a little more difficult, mostly because I left some pertinent information off. This graph started in 1985. I think in the original one I did it, I might have left something off of that. It starts in 1985. It goes to 1986. So this first one is the year 1985, and then it goes up. Estimate the average price in 1987. So that's 85, 86, 87. We go up to there. Your average price would be a little above 90, so you could even say 95. And then in 1995, so in the year 87, it was 95. In the year 1995, it's 87, 88, 89, 90, 91, 92, 93, 94, 95. It was up there. So that's looking like 110 in that region somewhere. A little above 110, maybe 115. Hard to tell from the angle I'm sitting at. But I'd accept anything in that range. Maybe we could actually draw straight lines out to see exactly where it falls. That's pretty easy there. What was the approximate percentage increase in the average price from 87 to 95? So in order to define the percentage increase, we do the price in 95, which was like 115. It may have actually been 120. Let's see. Yeah, it's going to be like 120. $120 minus 95, which will give you 25, divided by the original, which was 95. So if we do 25 divided by 95, it gives you about 0.26 or 26%. In what years was the average price at least $1.10 per gallon? So we need it above 110. So that would be in 1987. Get rid of this line so we can see exactly where it is. In 1987, it was above 110. Or I mean 1985, the beginning year. And then if we look here, that's when it crosses that line again and goes above it. So that would be 1989, going on forever. So that would be X greater than or equal to 1989. That's your final question. So hopefully that helped you if you had any questions on that. And we're about to have another video where we pick up where we left off yesterday.